So y'all just saw the little clip of the car. What I did was I put the engine lid back on, and the trunk was on, but I tried to straighten it up a bit. It's just on there for now. When I go to dyno, I'm going to take it back off, so I don't have to work underneath it. The reason being why I put it back on, I was just trying to see the car complete. I have another white one for this side, but it's like all warped up, so I just kept the green one there. But yeah, man, you guys let me know in the comments how you guys like the sound of that exhaust. I don't think it sounds bad. In the car it sounds really, really good. I'll actually go in there and start it up and show you guys. That way you can hear it inside the car. Interior is semi back together for the most part. Still waiting on the ashtray. I don't know if I'm going to do a radio in here or not. I want to because I'll want to keep it a street car. And then I just need to put the side cover on over here. That's about it. Put all these pieces back. I haven't really done that. Still got to put this little shit in here. The part, the little handle to close the door. I need to do that. But it's not on the agenda right now. Just some other stuff. Alright, so I'm going to start up the MR2. You guys are inside. You guys get to hear it inside the car. You guys heard it outside, so now you get to hear it inside. And you guys tell me if you guys like this exhaust or not. The look of it, I love it. I also like the sound of it in here. This car is loud. The fuel pump prime's loud. Listen. Oh, steering wheel's loud. No, it's not. Fuel pump. Fans. Exhaust. It's not as loud as the other one. The other one, but if I started the car like this, y'all couldn't hear nothing. I'm pretty sure y'all could hear me right now though. Sounds good. I'm not gonna rev it too much. I don't want it to freaking mess anything up, but it sounds good. So with me taking that up pipe off the car, a lot less stuff vibrates. Running the, I guess I would say full exhaust, but it's like a half exhaust or a quarter exhaust. The damn less stuff is vibrating inside the car. I had a border mirror because my mirror is kind of like jacked up, and now I could probably put it back on because my rear view mirror doesn't even vibrate as much, and my side mirrors don't vibrate as much either. But with that up pipe, man, every freaking thing vibrated inside the car. But I'm really happy how the car is coming out. The engine lid is back on right there. The trunk is on. Everything's coming out good. I need to actually put some gas in it. These lights are super bright, but this got hazy like really quick. This one's a little bit clear still. I guess it's the sun on it. I don't know. The other one looked like it got hazy super fast. Right there. Yeah, got a little hazy. Tune and paint. That's what's left. Tune and paint. Here's that harness I've been working on. It's about 80% finished, 80% complete. I'm gonna finish it up tonight. I just gotta delete this block right here. Do these 4 little wires, loom those, and then loom the coil plugs. Everything else is easy. Like I'm at the easiest part right now. Other than this, once I delete this, it'll be alright. But it comes together super well. I'll show you guys when I'm finished how I do it. But it's honestly like, it's time consuming, but it's real easy to do. I'm trying to get this one done by tomorrow. I know it looks like I have a lot, but this is delete, loom those and that, and then all this right here is easy. This is like the easiest part. I always tend to do this first, but since this harness goes the other way for a swap Civic and not like the MR2, this right here will be easy to do. I'll do that last. I actually do this part before I loom all this, and then down there. So this stuff is easy, man. You guys will see it whenever I'm done. Got a little bit more done than where I started, where I showed you guys last time. But that's because I got a lot of stuff going on and I have to take breaks in between. Look at that. And K-Tune what? Rye or what? Nah, I'm just playing. They do some good work, but you know, can't beat it doing it for free. I wish this was mine, but that ain't the case. Honest to God, I'm probably about to just wrap electrical tape around my harness, because I don't want to sit down and loom it like this right now. Or if I buy another harness, I'll loom it over time. But for now, mine is going to be electrical tape. And then I'll put a good heat shrink right there. All those will come out. And y'all will see how I do that, man. But look at mine. I do all these other harnesses, but mine look like this. Because I don't want to do it. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy. Still need to clean that up. I honestly still need to take that throttle body off and clean it. Not clean it. What am I talking about? I still need to take it off and freaking tighten up the parts that are loose. And I can't do that tomorrow. There's some stuff I gotta do tomorrow. I gotta do it Sunday. And I'm having an issue with my wastegates. It's nothing huge, but I can't tune with it. So this moves, as you can see it. It doesn't clamp tight onto the exhaust manifold for some reason. I don't know why. But we'll figure it out. I'm really shooting to get the car in the dyno really soon. I just want to figure out the small stuff. But like, share, subscribe, come back, check me out. Peace.